The mantas are back. They're well fed and preparing to breed. Young mantas, not yet mature, flirt with the others. The adults mate belly to belly. Getting into the right position requires practice and coordination. They don't necessarily get it right first time. An adult female arrives, and she is seeking a mate. Any interested male must now get down to business. Several males fancy their chances. She starts to twist and turn while they follow. She's assessing their stamina. The courting males imitate her every move. This performance may go on for hours. Some males eventually start to tire. And now she ups the tempo. Once she's made her choice, she slows down. And they mate. After mating, the male mantas play no further role in caring for their young. It's a strategy common to many ocean creatures. But not all.